Oh my people, DjangoNaPidgin in the house, DjangoNaPidgin in the house. Today we go yarn about models.py, the engine wey dey run your database. Make we build simple registration form. First of all, you need to know say models.py na where you design your data, na how your data go stay for your database. Now we go create each class. Each class na table while each field na column. Make we quickly do this one wey be user profile. As I type this code finish, so I go just type py manage.py migrate. That will set the structure for your database. Please follow for more.